Hello dear traders, let us review the major economic events of the past week. On Monday, the US stock market recovered the Friday's losses. The Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis President James Bullard stated the central bank would likely raise interest rates in October due to strong national economy. S&P 500 closed 0.5% up, with the financials and technologies leading the growth. On Tuesday, the European shares closed down on concerns about global economic slowdown. The Stoxx Europe 600 index lost 3.1%. The euro hits its 3-week low against the dollar. The Volkswagen share slumped 19%, reaching the 4-year low. The investigation on cheating pollution control standards by the diesel-powered Volkswagen cars was launched. On Wednesday, the Japanese stock market opened after 3 days of holidays. The Nikkei index fell 2.8% on weak industrial production in China and US. Nevertheless, the yen strengthened against the dollar. The manufacturers' shares plunged, with Okuma Corporation declining 9.1% and Makita Corporation 7.8%. On Thursday, the Fed Chair Janet Yellen said the rate hike was still likely to happen this year, which made the dollar stronger and the stock indices fell. Oil prices were rising as US shale output has started to decline recently, but the long-term supply and demand fundamentals remain weak, with supply expected to outpace the growth in global demand. On Friday, Brent prices kept growing. Iran is planning to increase the oil import to Asia by 500,000 barrels till this December, which will put the energy prices under additional pressure. The Asian markets can cope with extra supply, but to reach the pre-sanction figures, several years are needed. This week, we recommend paying attention to the GDP of Canada to be released on Wednesday, and the US unemployment on Friday. At the same time, the weekly change in US non-farm payrolls is to be released. We expect lower volatility of stock and money markets ahead of the data. For this reason, we recommend refraining from position trading on Wednesday and Thursday. On Friday, a portfolio of consolidation channel breakout positions may be opened for some currency pairs and US stock indices. This was all for the past week. We wish you happy trading and see you next week.